Welcome to another Wayne Township 4-H Fun Friday. This week we're making paper helicopters. An advantage of helicopters is that they can lift off and land vertically. That means they don't need a runway like a plane would. The same technology is used in a lot of drones. Helicopters have engines that take and cause their blades to turn. The turning of the blades creates different air pressure above and below the blades. Below the blades, the air pressure is high, above it is low, and this creates lift that allows the helicopter to ascend or go up. Our paper helicopters work a little bit differently. Obviously, they don't have an engine, but it's still air pressure pushing equally on both sides of the blade that will cause our helicopters to spin. In your kit this week, you have a paper template that has 3 helicopters on it and instructions for how to make the helicopters. You also have some paper clips. You will need to find a pair of scissors, and you might want some tape or glue to help put your helicopter together. Your first step is to cut out your helicopter. Only cut the solid black lines like the one I'm pointing at. The dotted lines will show you where to fold. Do not cut the dotted lines. Let me repeat. Only cut the solid black lines. Do not cut the dotted lines. Once you have your helicopter cut out, you're going to start by folding sections D and C along the dotted line towards the center of the helicopter. Next, fold section A along the dotted line towards you. Then, fold section B along the dotted line away from you. Your helicopter should look a little bit like a person doing the splits. Fold half of section C and D down towards you. You can add some glue or tape to it to hold it in place, or just slide the paper clip onto it. You'll want to add the paper clip for extra weight so your helicopter will fly better.
So to make your helicopter fly, you take it, hold it by the paper clip, and throw it up into the air and let it drop.
Once you've done a couple flights with your helicopter, you can try a few experiments. Try switching the direction that the folds are for blades A and B and see if that makes a difference in the direction of spin. Add extra paper clips for more weight and see what that does to your helicopter. Or you can make helicopters in different sizes and see if one works better or worse than the others. A big thank you to the folks over at babbledabbledoo.com for their awesome template, and to the photo contributors on Adobe Spark for our helicopter photos. If you'd like to see more of our 4-H Fun Fridays or learn more about Wayne Township 4-H, visit our website at www.waynetownship4h.org. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.